In this video, I'm going to show you the all-new PS5 officially licensed SSD expansion upgrade, and today we're going to be unboxing and installing it to our very own PS5. This is the PlayStation edition of the WD Black SN850, and it's currently the one and only officially licensed M.2 SSD for the PS5. If you don't already have an SSD upgrade for your PS5, it basically gives you more space for PS5 games while also offering better performance and load times. Unboxing the Western Digital SN850, you can see that this particular SSD already has a pre-installed heatsink, which is a much easier alternative to buying and installing your own dedicated heatsink for the PS5. Now, if you already have a WD Black SN850, there is honestly no reason to upgrade, as this is basically the same exact SSD except with official PlayStation branding. But to get started, you just need to remove the side plate from your PS5 and locate the SSD expansion bay terminal. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the expansion slot cover, as well as the mounting screw and the spacer. Then we're going to set the spacer to the correct size of the WD Black SN850 and carefully install the SSD into the terminal. I recommend you approach the connector at an angle and lift slightly upwards so it goes right in. Make sure the SSD is parallel to the connection terminal and touching the spacer before you screw it down. Also, do not forget to reattach the expansion bay cover. Lastly, we're going to then reattach the side cover back to the PS5 as well as the stand. This completes the installation, and you can now power on the PS5 and run through the initial setup. You can see that the read and write speeds of the WD Black SN850 are pretty quick, which means that our PS5 will be able to download and run games a whole lot faster. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.